This is the elevator at 1570 Old Country Road. I have never seen these buttons. What the hell is this? Ooh, a side door. What the hell? What the freak is this? Oh shoot, private property. I'm not supposed to be in here. Hopefully we have a motor. There's cameras. Down?
Yes.
One?
Yes, thank you.
Oh god. Close button's kind of stuck. Oh god. There you go.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
You too. This close button here. Before I end, I'll just get a quick cab view. Interesting elevator. That was a nice motor, and I saw Copic outside. Okay. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. I'm not supposed to be in here. Alright, that's it.